Okay, y'all, welcome back to my channel. Right now I have got my wig, y'all. I got my 28 wig. This is a wig that I got from Amazon. I'm really just rebuying it. This is the wig I have for graduation. It's real soft and it's 28, but I'm telling y'all, when I put it on, it be giving 30. But anyways, right now I'm gonna bleach this hair because I was supposed to be installing it tomorrow, but I figured out that I gotta be at a club. I'm a bottle girl, y'all. If I didn't tell y'all. Yes, your girl is a bottle girl. This is what we doing. That's my job, to do this. So I'm gonna do it until I can't do it no more. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna bleach this hair. We finna do what we supposed to do. We finna eat down. When I say eat down, I mean eat down. I'm finna make this, and then I'm finna make me something to eat, y'all, because I'm gonna cook some burgers. But I gotta do this first. Got to do this first. I really need some gloves. Okay, y'all, so here I'm finna put some of the bleaching powder in. I mean, y'all know what this is. Should know. Anyways, I'm gonna take this and just stir it up until you get the consistency that you like. Sure, it's on there. I'm finna spray the lace, so therefore, like, it won't seep through too much. I ordered some hairspray. Why is it not in here? Why is my hairspray not? Y'all, you gotta be shitting me. Y'all, we just gonna have to improvise. I don't know how I'm gonna do this install without my hairspray. When you applying it, sorry, y'all can't see. When you applying it, like I said, make sure that not too. Hold on, I'm here to tell y'all I'm supposed to eat down. I just went to one of my homegirls' house and got some supplies to do my hair job. And when I tell y'all I'm finna do what I'm supposed to do, I mean it. I mean it. Bitch, to be a baddie. Don't fucking play with me. What should I talk about now? Oh, what about us now? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. Got to go see her. Excuse me, Miss and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to see you. So you're trying to leave this. I'm gonna start on these burgers. Yes, I know I look crazy. I got this thing on my head because I'm doing the my bald cap method. I'll make sure my bald cap is balding, baby. So mind y'all business. Mind the business that pays you. Okay, so I'm gonna get this meat. I'm gonna go ahead and like cook the rest of this, right? Cause why not? So you gotta season your meats first. I hope y'all can see me, y'all. I'm gonna be seasoning my meat with some. I got some accent garlic salt, garlic powder, and I got some hamburger seasoning. And I'm gonna be putting a little bit of seasoning all in there. So yes, these are the ingredients I'm gonna be putting with this burger. This shit finna be busting.
So they grab hold of my hand, and let's pretend the flow was ours. They say it don't really dance. Just one, two step, one, two step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Now my head a little tired.
Gonna stuff them with bell peppers and onions. So right now, that's what I'm doing. I'm just cutting up the onions and shit. And I'm gonna stuff them with cheese too. Just cause I could do that. Okay, y'all, so now I have mixed the bell peppers. Yes, I have this thing on my head because I am in the process of doing my hair. Oh yeah, this looks crazy, but it's okay. But I have stuffed the bell peppers and onions. They still pretty big chunks, but I don't care. I'm the only one eating this, and I like bell peppers and onions, so nobody can be here to complain. I'm gonna put these burgers on the stove, and then I'm gonna do my hair, but I'm gonna get the cheese out. Okay, so I got the cheese. So what I'm gonna be doing is getting a little mint, make it a pretty good circle. I hate this because it's so messy, but it's okay. Anyway, make a pretty neat, a good enough circle. Put it down, and then what you want to do is grab some cheese. Dang, I can't even open it. And you just put some cheese on that top. Who is it? So they grab hold of my hand, and let's pretend the flow was ours. They say it don't really dance. Just one, two step, one, two step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Now my head a little tired. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say how I love to keep you here with me, your baby. I think I'll say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. You're trying to leave. How I love to keep you here with me, your baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing. Baby, it's so romantic. Baby, I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, yeah. I gotta give a game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. Tryna leave. How I love to keep you here with me, your baby. Just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if you shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand. Homie, make her understand. Y'all will make the dance like this. Y'all will make the bounce like this. Let her know she was made for you, and you want to be. Okay, y'all. So the first batch is almost done. I'm just gonna put some cheese on top. Good job. I'm really over here improvising, y'all. I'm over here doing my hair. I'm over here doing my hair and cooking. After I get done cooking, I'm getting in the shower and getting in the bed. After I get done doing my hair. Yeah, burger is good. It's like real good. I wasn't gonna eat till I got out the shower, but fuck it. Wow, wait. Wow, wait. Oh wait, y'all. It was good. It was 10 out of 10. Y'all don't have to see me eat. Right now, I'm letting my hair melt. Trying to see how I want to do my hair. I don't know if I want to do a buzz down. What did I just have? I just had a lip part. But they ain't seen me with these black. It do something to you. But bro, damn, almost fell. But yeah, I don't know what it's gonna give. I don't know if it's gonna give side part or it's gonna give buzz down. You know, buzz down gonna eat them up every time with no remorse. Buzz down gonna eat them up every time. It's not easy being a baddie. See, I didn't even want to look at the time. I just seen it and it scared me.
Tina, it was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. I think I'll say yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me want to say yeah. I know you're trying to leave, miss. I saw you dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand, and let's pretend the flow is ours. They say you don't really dance. We just one, two, step, one, two, step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Now my head a little tired. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say yeah. Excuse me, miss. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. Are you trying to leave? How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I think I'll say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. Are you trying to leave? I saw you dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing, baby. It's so romantic, baby. I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, yeah. I gotta give a game proper. Spit it so she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. You're trying to leave. Oh. I saw you dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby.
Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if you shorties in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand. Homie, make her understand y'all was late dance like this. Y'all was made to bounce like this. Just let her know she was made for you, and you wanna do everything she want to, man.
Tina, it was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet up. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. I think I'll say yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. I know you're trying to leave, miss. I saw you dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand, and let's pretend the flow is ours. They say you don't really dance. We just one, two, step, one, two, step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Now my head a little tired. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say yeah. Excuse me, miss. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. Are you trying to leave? How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I think I'll say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. Are you trying to leave? I saw you dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing, baby. It's so romantic, baby. I can be in your heart. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying,
I look stunning. Stunning. You look beautiful, T. You look gorgeous, breathtaking, magnificent. That's what you look, all of them words into one. Ciao. My, could you send me your
I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. Now I love to keep you here with me, your baby.
Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if the shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand. Homie, make her understand. Y'all will leave your hands like this. Y'all make it bounce like this. Let her know she was made for you. And you wanna do everything she want to, man.
I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. Now I love to keep you here with me, your baby.
Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if the shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand. Homie, make her understand. Y'all will leave your hands like this. Y'all make it bounce like this. Let her know she was made for you. And you wanna do everything she want to, man.
I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. Now I love to keep you here with me, your baby.
Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if the shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand. Homie, make her understand. Y'all will leave your hands like this. Y'all make it bounce like this. Let her know she was made for you. And you wanna do everything she want to, man.